What's up, guys? We are going to do a drag video again. We haven't done one since I think like the start of the channel. We are going through to Midway drags for a memorial event for Hennie Truter. He recently passed away in a tragic car accident early in the morning, so there's a memorial event for him today. We are heading through with the Ford, and I want to show you guys something. Maybe you guys can advise me in regards to what's going on, but something's up with the paint. We washed the car few weeks ago, but it's making these like black streaks, so I don't really know what's causing this. So if there are any of you that are detailers out there, please let me know if you know how I can fix this. But we need to get onto the road. Y'all already know we have to get a cold start for the boys. Are pretty wild. Sorry for the wind noise. I don't have my windsock on, but we just got to Midway. We are going to go and check out some of the cars and then check out some of the racing, see if I can get a few decent videos and clips of some of the cars that have been built. This is actually a 200-meter track. I don't know that, so we'll check out what cars are down there and see if we can get some times for some of the cars that are passing through. Let's go. Up next is a green Nissan 1400. It's on Hulk against a Mark II Fiesta or Escort. Let's see, this Escort moves pretty well. We have a TTRS against the 1900 Polo TDI. Too slow for the TTRS. No, it's fine. You guys can. I'm just gonna talk. We got here to the pits area. Just gonna check out some of the cars that are here. There's a 1400 which all the front panels can actually come off, so we'll check that out. See if we can get the owner to speak to us. This 1400 been completely gutted. Got like nothing inside, nothing left. It's pretty cool. Dedicated race car with full cage. Check what engine it has. En ek neem aan as maar dieselfde reset 21R.
Ja, dit goedjies wat werk.
Okay.
En goedkoop genoeg is vir ons arm vat om te verstaan.
Nog steeds van te kan hè.
Ja.
Weet jy het jy die motor gebou ook?
Ja, kyk my pa het 'n engineering shop, so ek het toegang tot al die masjiene en
Okay.
ek het self al gewerk, so ek het ook kennis om al my engineering werk self.
Oh, 4AGE as well. And the Golf, that has the TDI, eh? Yeah. Okay. Okay guys, so yeah, with SR2, the City Golf, Hennie's car that he completed. That has the 1900 and then his Bucky, they completed, or it's actually a Datsun, but it has a 4AGE. I'm not really sure how much power it makes, but it looks really decent. It's got a molded side skirt, wide body kit, looks really decent, and it is pretty fast. So like I said, I'm not really sure how much power it makes, but it puts it down pretty well. Ja, baie mooi. Hey, dit hier werk ook, ek gaan nie oopmaak nie.
Ek kyk dalk se onder.
Taking a look at the TDI motor. I believe this is the first TDI swapped City Golf in the country. Looks pretty much standard. I think it's definitely a swap that you can do in the future, especially because the chassis of the City Golf is so large. Okay guys, we're all sitting in the car. It started raining for the second time. So we are going to call it a day. I don't think it's going to stop raining anytime soon. The clouds are pretty hectic. But thank you for coming along and watching the memorial event for Hennie. The 1900 TDI City Golf looks really nice. The workmanship that he did on that is really insane. So if you like the video, like it, subscribe, and then we'll see you shortly for 4x4 with Megal and below, if I'm correct. See you guys soon. Bye. Memphis, man.